customer, now you can manage your Srishrita smart home with your own voice.
On the light 1.
L1 switched on successfully.
Put on light 1.
L1 already switched on. Would you like to off L1? Confirm it by saying yes or no.
Yes.
Hello customer, L1 switched off successfully.
Switch on light 1.
L1 switched on successfully.
Switch on light 2.
L2 switched on successfully.
Switch on light 3.
L3 switched on successfully.
Switch on light 4.
L4 switched on successfully.
Switch off all lights.
All lights switched off successfully.
So, in this way, you can put off all your lights, fans, everything. At the same time, physically also, you can on your lights.
Dear customer, now you can manage your Srishrita smart home voice.
Now, I'm going to on fan.
Dear customer, now you can manage your Srishrita smart home with your own voice.
Fan on.
Fan switched on with high speed successfully.
Decrease fan speed.
Fan speed decreased successfully.
Decrease fan speed.
Fan speed decreased successfully.
You can see the light beginning. Decrease fan speed.
Dear customer, now you can manage your Srishrita smart home with your own voice.
Decrease fan speed.
Fan speed decreased successfully.
Decrease fan speed.
Fan speed decreased successfully.
Switch off fan.
Dear customer, now you can manage your Srishrita smart home with your own voice.
Fan off.
Fan switched off successfully.
All lights on.
All lights switched on successfully.
Thank you.